Well. Dream team one team. So we arrived there in Seaview and we're there with Jay.
One voice, a Chillan voice. Boss way. I hear the voice, your face, the girls a man Jay Chillan representing. He not. We here again. You don't know yard. To abroad, one Seaview. Boss way.
Yeah, so we're there today, we're there with D Mwanga. You see me? We are now going to roll on in Seaview Garden, show on the other side and show the talents them. They in the place, you know, this is one of them, Jay Chillan. But also have a song together where I know it not released yet. Cool-hearted people, you're too rotted evil.
Hey, I read for vehicle.
Hey, them see my glory, them I know my pain. Hey,
them see me fall like Saddam Hussein. Hey,
and this is D. Chillan, meet D. D Mwanga from Kenya.
Alright. Yes,
What are you having?
I am having you know, some
morning coffee.
Could bring food for, you know.
Smells so good.
Cranium, man, you know.
Yeah.
And this is nothing yet compared to what's really good stuff, honestly. Yeah, man. But this is just what we made since we get the mates right. You understand? Yeah. Time flies so fast, man, I rush. 12 years since I passed, my heart broken. We claim the feast and just. Dreadful times, so keep your eyes open. Now we surprised at the end of the road, but look out for snakes and chops. Never drop my guard like some Sunday. Boom!
See there.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
So we're there now, the scheme is in we're gonna show around, you know.
Yeah.
So you're going.
I'm not right at some of them, man.
So, you know, we have to dip on the show as well, too, you know, because we're going to link up thing and we walk around and we can get some insight about Seaview Garden, you know. Because I remember Chris was here, but he was on the other side, you know, over here. So now she's on this side, you know, so we can give her some input, you know.
Yeah, man, just go and circle around and we can link up back.
Alright.
Hey, nice to meet you. Thanks for the support, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, bro, big up.
Time flies so fast, me nah rush.
12 years since I passed, my heart broken. We claim the feast the unjust. Dreadful times, so keep your eyes open. Now is our prize at the end of the road, but look out for snakes and chops. Never drop my guard like some Sunday. If I could have changed some things in the past, guess I would feel this way. Guess I would feel this pain. Guess I wouldn't be in this cage. If I could change some things in the past, guess I would feel this pain. Guess I wouldn't feel this strange. No, I wouldn't be in this cage. Oh, at the age I told me tell her my mother drop. Never have nobody, father never have my back. Family drama keep me calm, yo, me never stop. Me choose to do the music, I the only craft, the only shot them never believe. Cause I'm 6 chick on my sleeve. Mother thoughts, ideas some need to achieve. No, the blueprints are the better plan. See I have to focus on the robbery when they out to link the millions. Row!
Big tune.
Boss way.
Big tune.
Boss, over there in Seaview Garden, you know, as I say, we're going to feature the talents them, you know. We had Abra's record. See there. So you have Yaman over there. I'll go and get the exclusive them. So we had. Yeah, so see there, so we had Abra's record. You know, this is the studio, you know, Abra's record. Still now wish them not bad.
Maybe the build again.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's say you are 35. Can you have a woman who is 40 or 50?
Depends on how she looks and how she operates, you know what I mean?
Operate in which way?
Like, she have to have a steady mind. Because you have people, you have your females who's 40 who who not sense. You know what I mean? So,
Yeah, lack of experience.
so it's experience and you know what I mean. It's not the looks, you know. It's not the looks, you know, about a female for me. You know what I mean. It's just how you move and. You know
So looks don't matter.
No, they
because in
don't.
Jamaica the girls look so sexy on the streets. You know the way they dress, the
But
shorts.
don't make it fool you, man.
It shouldn't fool me.
Trouble. Some of them, not all of them. Some of them. You know what I mean.
It's not what you see.
It's not what you see. You know what I mean.
Yeah, but to me they all look nice and sexy.
Yeah.
They're walking. I'm like, wow, Jamaican
gonna see
girls. All right, that was so good catching up with you guys. I'm happy you are enjoying.
Bye,
So
Shoma.
give me one
Come through, come
freestyle
through.
then.
Yes, daddy.
Big up,
Yes, one more freestyle thing.
Yeah, man.
Missy friends I sell out like wholesale. Through me I take it on a slow pace. Them never believe in me, but you never get crowned in your own place. Never get crowned in your own place. Never get crowned in your own place. A king never get crowned in his own place.
So true.
Never get crowned in his own place. Them switch from France to Brazil. Wagonist them. Never believe till them see the thing trend. Me no believe in a money things friend. Snake in a grass them like free pretend. Stop party with them, flossing with them. Them and a gal I want drive in a Benz. Sweetie bar them light in a head. Me see friends I sell out like wholesale. Show me I take it on a slow pace. Them never believe in me, but you never get crowned in your own place.
Never.
Hey,
You know what I mean?
big tune, but that's so true. I love the word.
Yeah.
Facts.
Facts.
You know, facts. Let me ask you another thing. You know, like me being from Kenya, coming to Jamaica. You know, like this place where we are right now, Seaview. How many people do you know that have died maybe because out of violence or gunshots in that story? Do you know any maybe?
Holy man. The Gary said this in and uptown, you know. And then the roses and
Fittest are the fittest, you know.
Fittest shall survive, man. Isn't it? As you may say, you can't hide from it. Kind of just Jamaica alone, everywhere and
So true.
everywhere. But as we know, Jamaica have a stigma behind it. You have to come live it,
To know it.
To
and we
feel
live
it.
it, you know, so we can tell you. And then, you know, bad as how they make it sound. As we there, we are 30. We live long in our garrison. It's the road where you choose. That have a key part to do it. Baba said, you live by the gun.
You die by the gun.
Die by the gun.
If you live by the gun, you die by the gun.
So where you choose from a tender age. You know what I'm saying? And the road where you walk and the path. As where you say, you know about the good, the bad and the ugly.
Yeah.
So
Our opinion on
choose,
it.
you know?
Wow.
Because music comes with that, you know, the good, the bad, and the ugly. You know, because I've seen it. You know, I've been here where I've been on killers. I've been here where I've been on Christians. I've been around a lot of people, you know what I mean? As he said, you know, it's just how you choose your road. Because I say I have 10 friends. Oh, now we can become the same thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You become a journalist, him become a taxi driver, him become a killer, him become a murderer, him become a hitman, I become an artist. You know, everyone couldn't become the same thing, but they are all my friends. You know what I mean?
I
It's just the
understand.
road that you choose.
You choose
Yeah.
and who you're hanging out with. Any memorable experience? Because I met one of the guys earlier and we were just standing somewhere there and he gave me a story. He told me he witnessed one-on-one. What about you? Any memorable story that you can't really forget?
Oh my God, I'd even like talk about it. Like, I don't want to talk about it, and you know.
Just give me just a
I've seen a lot, man, a lot.
You've seen a lot.
He can tell you because he's seen a lot because he lives here, you know. Just to talk about it makes me emotional sometimes, some things, because I've lost friends innocently. You know what I mean? In the garrison here in Seaview. You know what I mean?
Lots of friends.
A lot of friends. You know, that shouldn't have lost their life. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So it makes me more
Emotional and remember everything.
Everything.
Fresh.
I know how to move as well. You know what I mean? Teach me. Because as he said, we have to live with it because I'm here. Where I'm going to go.
Nowhere. This is home.
This is home.
You have to know how to survive.
You know
Survival
what I mean?
tactics in your area. Adaptation.
Yeah.
Wow. It's quite unfortunate, but it is what it is. So, yeah, personally, I totally understand and I feel them because there's nowhere else you're gonna call home. No matter how hard you try to run away, home will forever be home. So, yeah, we're still working in Seaview, chatting up with amazing young youths and bringing you like amazing stories. Just get to understand the other side of Seaview. But stay tuned.
May I beg you please? If your man call you, do not answer. No. Kisses got you losing control. No need a file, me feel me need forget the 40 minutes for the better rest. A kitty pan a stretch and me know she like me size stretch and I mean she prefer like the boy a little letter say you gone off for the better. Body a call me unexpected. She ready for ride. Know that she honey won't regret it. She a bump and grind. Loving make you beg and I sweat when me part and legs red see Moses.
Give me the lyrics.
J Chilan.
Give me a lyrics.
Underscore or Sing J. J Chilan Sing J, you understand? Yeah. You don't know for the Snapchat. Yeah, I tell you, you find me on YouTube. You know what I mean? J Chilan. You find me on Instagram. Real underscore J Chilan. You see Snapchat real underscore, but TikTok J Chilan singer J Bossway.
Yeah. I have a song where
Boss
name Kundele.
See that Kundele right over the camera turn.
Oh God, we can't get them Kundele on the camera.
Before you do that, just give yourself a shout out, man. Just give yourself a shout out and where them can find you.
You know iView, man, you know? iView music on Instagram, you see me? iView Vivo. Just check it out, man, the thing loud, man, you see me?
Just give them the spelling so they know they can easily.
IVIEW. You know what I mean?
iView.
That's like Seaview.
Yeah, see, yeah. So give them some more of the top music them what you have, man. See me. Remember, you know, this I go right now, you know.
Freestyling, man, freestyling. You know, run like all your thing.
Yeah. Right now, the whole world I watch plus Africa, you know. So you have a song for Africa. You have something for Africa. Give them something for Africa, man.
That's the verse.
Yeah.
Say put one of your foot over there, sir. Put the next one over your son. Girl, oh you so fat, girl, what's so? Oh you look like you get sting by your wassa. It's touch you. If you're something punch on me patch you. You know long me stand up and I watch you hold the puffy 6 me about your girl ball out. Kunde, girl ball out, kunde. Girl breed and have big belly. Who she say yeah, kunde. In Blackie, kunde. A Jimmy Cliff, kunde. Kunta Kente, kundele. Ashaka Zulu, kundele.
What's the meaning of Kundele then?
It's an African man, you know.
It's an African word.
Yeah, African man. He's a king.
He's a king.
I want to tell you, we build the song before me even know the meaning of kundele. It's just a vibes. I would just did a work with it, and then I say no, I have to go research what
so
kundele
from the
means.
research, what did you get?
It's a king in Africa.
A king in
connect.
Which country? Which country?
I forgot the country, but you could research it as well. But
Try the essence of Shabba.
Yeah.
one key note, you know.
Well, I know how the thing go. One iView J Chilan. You drop it.
Puff, look at that seat.
Yeah, so they are rolling through Seaview J Chilan.
Yes, sir.
With the thrilling voice. To the girls them. Yeah.
Then a musical culture in a father.
Listen.
Let me tell you something. Because them say for talk, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Are we every artist where you see the whole of the local artists, them, the Dexter, that's the this, the that, the black man. And we it stem from one to the know. When time them come and we are the music. When Dexter that's just come from foreign and we are the music. Remember that. The whole of them, remember, so we have Al Qaeda, we look a crew. And I do a look a thing. You understand what I mean? So I'll even over yes sir right now in a Mali. The whole of the youth them give me energy, because guess what? If you have 10 artists who come from over here, we them see the music.
See them here, yeah. You inspire them, because when you started from full generation coming up. And still see them here.
As I say, never get crowned in your own place, so we have to go out the field.
Yeah.
You think I was up? Yeah. But them not give to me, I see it and I go take it.
Yeah.
You get me at this same thing. So if them not give, them not have to take it. I have to talk my mind and make people know where I'm going. Because them not gonna know Ivy or no who name Ivy.
Them something we have to take. Them something they give on to people.
Yeah.
No, but we have to take it sometime if them don't want to give it.
So when they go
Body
the
talk.
crown and come back and take it.
See me, no, but we talk we are going.
Watching the tune that you sing, you never get crown in your own. When you go out there, go get the crown, then you come back in your brother. Everything you take. As you said, so you're right. But when you have to go out there, go get the
Big up to
crown.
every artist that see. You got the Bounty Killa. You got the Shabba ranks. You see me, I talk about the veteran, them. You see me, Nitty Kochi, General B. You see me? Yeah, big up Dexter, big up Black Man. You see me? Big up Essence. Big up Prodigy. Chillant.
Yeah.
All I look at artists them where they boy in a Seaview where say them are the music. Big up music.
Yeah.
And Seaview is a musical ground. I remember the Cape Big.
Yeah.
Cape Big, so nobody know for bad mind. Nobody tell them keynote.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up keynote too cause an artist too.
Yes, I. Yes, I. See that you know what I say? An artist too.
Artist too.
You see me? Never out, you know? Aye, man, cool, man. It not have no teeth. Teethless dog.
This is a tricky situation.
Yeah, very tricky. Very tricky situation. Bless it. You say artist too? Producer? Dancer? Oh, to the world you are going now.
To the world.
Yeah, man, give yourself a shout out now.
I'm famous one this year, isn't it? Believe me. He's a little famous.
Yeah.
Blessings.
So what the new dance you have?
Huh?
What the new dance you have?
You know, so you must have it pop.
Alright, we'll go from the side so we can see new dance. Because we want to see the new dance you have, you know. We'll see the new dance you have. Yeah. Nah. So, how would I want the name? Famous one there. Sorry.
One famous.
One. Foot move.
Famous one.
Famous one. The foot move. The foot move. So this is up here is where our artist is. So all have jerk go on and thing.
Vice.
All have vibes.
You know.
See there, so we have
Essence Road, you know the thing?
yeah man, cool, you know how the thing goes, it's a road.
Look out for the thing, one team Essence, is it?
Yes, I. Who's who are going now?
See what I go and chicken pan the board.
Oh, some chicken marination. Big party. Wow.
Big things are going on.
Chicken again pan the board. Chicken pan the board. Is it?
Big things are going on. Yeah. Blessed fire. Blessed fire. Yes, sir. So you say? So is it a plan to build a studio up here as well, so?
Never know. I put a studio anyway, you know.
Yeah.
So you may never know, you know.
So these are the youths that grow in the community, or born and grow, you know, in the community as well too. You know, and we have another artist Essence in Sucom, you know, so it's introduce some familiar faces, you know, in the community. So you dance too, or do the music?
One barbarism, you see it?
Yeah.
Producing well soon forward in it. So I say 130th Street. Now what you look about it, just look out for the people there.
Yeah.
Them set of people there. I gonna be some powerful set of people. They see it, big up to our brother record, they see it. Them show you and teach you a lot of things. Big! Big up to them self, they see it. One eye view. One eye view. Team Essence, I say straight.
Team Essence. So there, as you can see, we're in Seaview Garden, rolling around in Seaview Garden, you know, so we're checking out Seaview. We're on D-Day, actually on a tour. I know how the things go, is when you say, no, we have to stop about and just get some info from all the talents them. What's going on? I can see them on my wall of vibes. Jerk chicken, you know, Jamaican style. The pot of your bubble, or with oil, and chicken of your fry. You know, as you would always go. You know. So this is the wise machine. J Chulan! Aye. See it there. So look out for the dancer, you know. Famous one. Yeah, famous one. Over there, it's live. So they're on live, that's all.
Yeah.
Big up the live, how they're on? TikTok live.
TikTok
See
live.
there? Vibes up, start the vibes now. So start the vibes now. Ping, you know? Think you're going like an artist to, you know, ping.
Oh, multi-talented, but we focus on one area, you know?
Yeah.
So the teamwork, you can't pre-defense and one score at the same time. All the striker them to keep one line, you know?
Well, we got different them, say, go attack and score goals, see them here,
That's
you
why
know.
when I time for attack, we're not going to see.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, check out the EP, Bats and Company.
So the up and coming, give us something.
Up and coming.
You say you want something right now?
Yes, I.
Right now. People treat me the worst kind. Remember days when I work on, call it my first dime. Me still share cause I'm so kind. Hear a voice in my head say no worry cause of your time. Get the vision, make them see cause them so blind. None of them can cheat me with them slow mind. Check me history number, don't lie. Me soon reach to the top of show time. Yeah. We do it so simple. Nah laugh with the road, no show no teeth, no dimple. Watch about the girl. Look where she run into. Ma beat the skin to. And leave it in Joe. I'm a style, I'm a craft, them no mix, no mingle.
Oh God, boy, military was wife.
Yeah, lyrical machines. I have, you know, I'm tuned for days and tuned for years, you know.
You know, God, we are dealing there now still, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So watch you know. When you see me on the road you trod, God are the only best friend me have. You true me tell you that you know feel bad. Cause you can't compete with God. Me not trust people, no, me not trust people. Me not trust humans, cause them too evil. Smiling on your face and when your breath leave you. What you say?
Yeah.
The amount of people where you tell me say them real to me, but tell me drop a jail of Father God alone me say. Me no say friends, me say family. Prodigy, them can't drain me energy. Book them now and see the best away. Father God control my destiny. And Psalms 31 for the enemy. So when you see me on the road I tried, God are the only best friend me have. Not you me tell you that you know feel bad. Cause you can't compete with God. Me not trust people, no, me not trust people. Me not trust humans, cause them too evil. Them smiling on your face and your behavior. You know, them are heavy like a load of sand. Watch your body language and make them know your plan. Protect your 3 points cause the journey long. And be careful of who you give a helping hand. You will show them the game and them think them a lead you. Get the youths, don't fight the hands them with.
We don't like people with full of ego. Think a joke.
Hey.
My friend, my time, and I'm a friend. God and time, man.
Your plan.
Showing them body.
Substance.
Feel like I'm stuck in a place when I'm genuine. My friend, you only cause you know you have your things. Not just my friend, not even get Feel like I'm stuck in a place when I'm genuine. See people friend, you only cause them know you have your things. Not just my friend, not even girl, we have my lover sing pretty like lover bling, straight like government. Me not do fraud, me live a family hard. And if I never for broad, me woulda gone long time. Mother she pass, I'm not ready for this. See the devil a try me and I say me for sign. Plead my cause, oh Lord. Bust the shackles on my feet, which I set the chopper, something like you 17. Never wish I kill nobody, but them off to kill the dream. No, them won't even try help me down. But they ready for running. Licky pop in the drama zone, take a tree, make cabby, take your body down and mother for them free. So one night up, me sleep, me pray this life box. Fake friend them, me hurt, the strangers might not. Careful, we do your secret, might swap and the same mouth say yes and no, so don't yap. One night up, me sleep, me pray this life box. Fake friend them, me hurt, the strangers might not. Careful, we do your secret, might swap and the same friend me. Boom!
Boss way. Big up God. Big up God. I would say big up God, you have to be specific, Father God. Yeah, talk about the devil is a God in his own kingdom.
That's right.
Yeah, that's a code.
Yes, if I show it out.
Yeah, one Prodigy, you can find me on the IG Malone_Prodigy. Yeah, we no jump on the YouTube yet, but a Prodigy we're gonna name said way.
Yeah.
Yeah, Facebook see me Malone_Prodigy. Blessing.
Yeah.
Producer Ping. You know Ping. Give them a shout out, don't know where to find
Yeah, man, I want Abroad Records, man. Everywhere, man. Every platform, man. Abroad Records 8961. Anywhere at all, any platform, you can't miss.
Alright, Abroad Records out there day. You know, first time in Seaview Garden on this side. Checking out what's going on. How you like it so far, Day?
Good energies and vibes.
Good
People
energy.
chilling, having some barbecue.
By the time you leave Jamaica, you can sing, you can DJ, and you can do some Jamaican dance. Right? Give me 2 lyrics. Come, give me DJ something now. Come DJ something, Dave. Give us something, Dave. Alright, go. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, ding,
No, you're giving me bad tune. Come on.
Me and have nothing in common with her Kelly. At 10 times she comes, so she have to tell me thanks. She said she swell like she rub up in her hands. She called me up on my phone this morning and I asked if this something still there in her pants. She said,
My clocks need skinny jeans and I've been fat with
Already.
life in Jamaica.
From them time till now, you know you have the Mwango from Kenya. You know.
Respect. All that Kenya
I have Yaman TV as well too. So you know you have
Every people find your music or them find you. Alright, Essence do I have on IG, you don't know about TikTok or Essence 6 cents. Essence do I have people. My Essence spells different. SSENS 6 cents. What's that? 6 cents. SSENS. These are the white people. Naturally, the Essence are answer. You hear that? No. Hey, 250 90. Hey! Oh, yeah, you like that dog. We say 3 foot of press head. What me? I'm a jeans with badness, don't go accent. I see. I know me, I'm on the type. You fuck with the food, head spray, and I know I shine. Boy, girl, shine bright. Call me the IP, my God himself. Me pull up an ice scheme, I trust IG. Me think tough, nice street. I love like Jesus, and I'm a blast. Come on, boy, I don't think. Hey, 250 90s. Hey, y'all put music with IT. Hey, you like that? No, you say do it. Bang.
to see there.
Jerk, you hear that? Jerk, Paul, see there? I make it work if you. That is it, man. I saw a vibe, man.
Yeah, vibe.
Nice to meet you, Excellency.
Yeah, man. Enough respect, man. Nice meeting you also. You see me?
They're a very tricky situation.
Yeah. You made damage, yeah.
It's a big baller.
Big baller. I look at juvenile, I want to left them out.
You say a young baller that.
And my son that already.
Oh yeah, my son is very talented as well too, you know.
Keep it up on it. Keep it.
Fire. Nice try.
But yeah. But TV wasn't like this, you know, people just add on. But Yeah. General cooler. From the last time, so this is Mitzi shop.
We are not cuss every day, but our mother.
She take care of it. She take care of it.
Mitzi snack shop. One stop.
I said the big shop in a Seaview.
Almost 24 hours.
Almost here. Almost hour shorter.
Guns, yeah. Just two.
Look, I see my fucking work. Big artist.
Big.
One Gunzel active, man. One I feel, you see?
Yeah.
Those Kelly done, red, gold and green for me, them a ask if me a real African. Each year, me a real Rasta man. Watch this style now. Bossy Bubba Rock. Bossy Bubba Rock. Step out well clean in a diamond socks. Locks does a flash. I grade weed, me a smoke and a chat. On a real lion ass. Them feel no that. Chada Bossy Bubba Rock. Tutty Bossy Bubba Rock. Skelly Bossy Bubba Rock. Bossy Bubba Rock. Yeah. Me a try the true giant. Roll if you like the conquering lion. No for them a ask them no know who I am. They can't tame. Me a travel with the flame. Rasta 9 ball fling down giant, me a jam messenger. You know come and suffer chase. Who say them lucky place? Them a run a rat race. Burn the fire hot, yeah me make the fire blaze. Me find out enough of them lose them way. Bossy Bubba Rock, Bossy Bubba Rock. Step out well clean in a diamond sock. As me wait na the morning, me chant a one song. Cut and clear the park, me a walk. Me no fear, no shot after dark, man a real lion heart. Me a step with the militancy. The motor thing of them try them could jail me in the jail. No, alright. No show me a Jaja picnic. Me will shot a man now if you no ramp with me. What one? Jaja see it and Jaja know. Jaja know. Them a try stop the growth. Them a poppy show. Can't flop my show. Jaja see it and Jaja know. Active one see Jaja know. Them a try stop the growth, you know what I go on? Sometimes I feel zone out. Me Devo has been a moan out. Paranoid dog, so me no show love. People hurt me already, so me know now. I be heartless people who grow around. Them no know love. Me just a go and hold me own a try it so love. Active, you know? Come on, big up. And I feel big up. Blessings all the time, you know? Active.
I don't know if you find them, man.
Yeah, man, you don't know. Every platform, man. Instagram, you name it. SoundCloud, everything. Facebook, everything, you know.
What the name? Give me the name again.
Yeah, man, you don't know one Gunzel, you see it?
Spell
yeah,
it
man,
out
just
for
look
them.
out for the artist. Gunzell. Yeah, man, Gunzel, you see it? Yeah, man, red, gold and green, you see it? Brawling, man. Only for respect, you know.
Yeah, man. Tell us something about Seaview, man. Give us something about, tell us something about Seaview.
Seaview, yeah, man.
Okay, born and grow here?
No, you know, I just the chemistry and the band, you know, but Seaview, nice community, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it come with a lot, you see it? So you have to firm own place. Yeah, you never get thrown, you have to go out there.
Yeah.
People are going to love you for your ground, you know, but what the real energy, you're not going to get it. So you have to just go out there, you have to venture, you see it? But differently, whole heap of talent there, you hear that? Yeah, man, you start it factory, you hear that the father. Musical ground.
Spirit of flow through the area,
yeah, yeah, man. Whole heap of talent there, man, and whole heap of big up and respect for checking with the artists, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I know the world I want to know if I know there's a stigma for most inner city, you know? So sometimes we want the world to know what I go and how safe it is for them can come to Seaview, because we know say, no, we're not perfect. No, you know, that's why we can make the world know say, yeah, the place is like this, you know, and like that. You know, so sometimes it's good for know when to go through when time living at the inner city. So the world can know, so them can say, yeah, it's not what them think it is.
Yeah.
You know, so what is like growing up in them inner city like them place,
You don't know, we are youth, we have the confidence there, see it. We always do it, no matter if nothing up or you get me, we still do it, because you don't know.
I see where you could tell them where you see that.
Yeah, man, see that, it's a sight, you know, just see me, you know? Yeah. So for sure, you say, all the talented, they still have to put in the work. Same way, yeah, we're not true, we are musicians. We're bigger than that, and you see me? We are doing what we have to do, because one life we have to see it. Yeah, we can't burn over again, one life, you see it, so we have to live it. Yeah.
So it's not like a 9-to-5, it's something coming us.
Yeah, it's like a little, we just are going freestyle, you know?
Us, you know, for us.
Us, yeah, isn't it? Yeah.
So what brought your attention while you're into Seaview?
I say, I really like I throw my mother pass off and thing, and, you know? Yeah, with my sister and them things, so just go and hold it for But they are focused on the right thing, you see. I love music in my channel. I remember enough things we could have get straight and, you know, misled and carried away, and we don't do that to music and thing, you see. So that I might be man, so I view them a good artist, youth have been a do it and a try, so we just want them acknowledge real people and talent for it, you see. I'm not do this to fame in my father, I just really listen.
The real, the love.
Yeah, man.
Love our Africa.
Yeah,
look, we have a pretty up here to do an interview, because
that's natural.
It's natural from the heart.
I do, because I guess you learn a lot growing up in Seaview by going through a lot of things, right? I don't say one of billion make us strong.
That's what I say. Some of the things that we can't even talk about, just try talking about them make me emotional. Things will happen when we see it growing up, you know what I mean, in the real life. As them say, you have the good and you have the bad and you have the ugly. You know what I mean? You've been through it and know it. You know who is who, you know who is capable from this, who is capable from that. Since the time we've been here, so make you know how to live, how to adjust. You know what I mean, in a real life. So that's it, that's life at the end of the day.
What kind of message you have for the younger youth them growing up now or want to be a musician?
Just never give up, you know. Just never give up, because you can't be the baddest artist, but for you not have promotion and certain things behind your music. You understand? As well we see them, I don't know them I buy views. So it come like you can't have the solidest song, but for you not buy views, nobody can see it. So you get where I come from. So you just have to go and do your thing real for our art at the end of the day. You see me? And hope the people them look around this side. You know what I mean? And so I go and see if we can change the game a little bit. Because the sound take time to change too, you know, in a music, in a reggae, in a dance, and that's why even Afrobeat them get to on the thing. So we as youth have to try and change it too. Get it back to the root, you know what I mean, in a real life, But it's not about competing, it's about keeping music alive. You know what I mean? You can't dead with the tree. You have to teach key, you know. You know what I mean? That come like me is the best jerk chicken man, you know. And we can't dead with being the best jerk chicken man. We show key, you know, of the jerk the chicken. So when time you can, the chicken still a jerk. You understand? Save it music.
So but for doing good and for doing bad, it seems like say for some of the younger generation, I mean, it seems easier to do bad than to do good.
Because I just feel go on, you know, even a good song just free. I do much good songs, mind game, current affairs. We put out real people out there. When we do still in our belly, everybody run to it. Them shows the gravitate to the negativity. You understand? But we not make them trick. We just take go and do the things.
Yeah, because that's the way I see right now, the negativity, that's the same way, you see. So, like, it don't lead you to do the wrong thing. You can get the same advice when you lead.
Yes, you will say never get thrown in your own place. You know, we are teaching you them through music as well. But as I say, it done gone far away. I try a fight, we are fighting.
Yeah.
Right now for them here we are going and understand. You know what I mean? Real life.
We give thanks and we have high view, you know, we have the body that's like the energy same.
Yeah, man, it's the kind of
turn up on stage and be a problem.
Yeah, I know.
It's the next cable time.
Turn up on stage and be a problem.
Artist that you know.
You know, Jay Triller, I'm saying, all of
bad singer.
Yeah, man. All of Broad record talent them there. I have Ping, the producer over there, so.
One of Broad producer, you know?
Yeah, so Seaview, you know, most people them hear about it, them probably never see what Seaview look like. So these are the youths them from Seaview, and this is how Seaview is, you know. It's not like, you know, about a zinc fence or anything like that. Everybody try to uplift themselves, right? And it's never no government build up a house where you think work.
The people them work and save their money and build them house. So that means them not leaving either. So it make the community more secure, because nobody not leave them house, you know. So you can come with your badness and feel like nobody leaving them house. So them build up upstairs house.
Yeah.
You are on left it?
Yeah. and it's not rich people. People just work and just develop. Because people might see the house and say, oh, them people are rich. But I'm not rich. They know how them work and just make it
them a try,
right?
You understand that? You know how long some people take to build up them house?
Years.
But you maybe see it when you come and say, I have money but me there.
Yeah.
And see it have been for 5-4 years and then so watch it.
And more than that.
And more than that.
Some 10-15 years, we see people try, you know, but when you see the after, you might feel like, oh, that person is rich, but it take a long while, you know, because, you know, Jamaica with the minimum wage and things, and you realize that people try, isn't it? But there's jobs here, jobs not there for the youth, because we realize a lot of the youth, they don't want to go and work. There's jobs there for them.
For work, you know, where they are road work, man, where they are road work, you know, the last couple of months, you know, so road work, they are going out there, I get police site and I surely take it. They show me an artist. We have to hustle, because we have youth to feed and everything, the different. You always have to have a plan A, you have a plan B, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, so we give thanks, you know, it's a blessing passing through, and we welcome D. Yeah, in the community here, Seaview, okay, you know, we're going to carry on the same way. Hiya, man.
So how much do you get paid in a month, in a day here? Like working here a day?
Oh, you know, not really like official work, but you know, it's a little thing to say.
Like how much? I just want to know.
Now I'm like a day's work.
A day's work, it look like 3 grand, you know?
3,000 Jamaican a day.
In my country, it's 300 Jamaican dollars. 200, 300.
Jamaican dollar.
No, man. Jamaican Iceland.
No, but here, but it's a lot over there, you know. You might hear it in a Jamaican money, but over there it's a lot to them. Right? Right there? That's a lot to them, and them happy when them get that. If I give them 400 Jamaican dollar.
But at the end of the day, enough ask. A man for your you can buy a drink, you can buy something to eat, same way.
Not even a jelly water.
Yeah, man, because Jamaica is
independent as an artist.
I will give thanks, man. Seaview. Say, you know the thing, though. I will give thanks today and see if you are passing through. J. Trillan, the bad artist over there, so. The real singer, you know the thing, though. So big up on yourself, you know. You know the thing, though. Seaview, you know the thing, though. Time is ping. Producer, zone out.
Zone out.
Yeah. I should do it over here, smoke out. Hey, I agree. Keep it burn up. Right, get them now. Close up the show with some vibes now. Tell them.
You see me? We there with the whole crowd. For a night, me staying on whole house. I hit man at the vibe, man. You know, I hit something.
Smoke now. Ping. You know anything going on Seaview?
Yeah, keep on respect. Respect. I love all the time. I love all the time.
Yeah, man, we give thanks, man.
Link up with man, you know? Only for respect for the energy.
Yeah, man, cool, man. It's our pleasure.
All of this, I just judge out. Yeah. Even just we alone. I just judge out.
Yeah, I just listen. Very spiritual.
Yeah. Crazy.
Judge out. Alright, then. We'll go by that way.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Stop the thing, the mountain sacrifice is bring. The mountain I pass to the foot. Before me Jaja pour down your blessings. Make me win. Jaja wash away my sins. Make me win. You know what go on? Me I do it for the youth them. Me no want Babylon come shoot them. System design that we have for me lose them. Your skeleton we don't know who them. Me now work with politics movements. The most youth them use and abuse them. They know what do.
Hey, manners and respect. What go on, General? Cool, man. Everything good?
Can't complain, man.
Once you have life, right? Can't complain once you have life. So tell me something, man. What go on? It's been a while, you know.
Yeah, man. Been a while, you see. So, how you think I kick off?
Still I go on same way, you know, you think the works that I put in, you know, as you can see. Still there showcase same way.
You see me, I say, I love how you do the thing, man. As I said before, yo, me I watch it from small and from nothing I come up.
Yeah, from when time you have 0 subscribers to one farm reader now.
Yeah,
you know, about 30 going right now, you know.
Yeah, I'm love how you give the artist a strength. Because you are going on, Seaview is a full mind.
Yeah, come on.
When it comes to basically raw talent.
Yeah.
Raw talent, you understand me? But you just need to bridge it.
Yeah.
By know for network amongst them one of them. You know what I say? And just get them views out.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So more likely like what I said before, you know, I mean the platform definitely give them a better way of them can showcase them talent.
Yeah.
You see me? So I love the how the thing manifests.
Yeah, because we always have to try, you know, come together and see what we can do to push out the talents then, because as you said, most of the youth you see, them take music feet because none of them ain't working, and then they've none of them have skills, you know, where them can have something for themselves.
Yeah.
You know, I realize and everything government are getting involved for the youth them, so don't have to try a thing which is music is one of the solutions what them can do. You know, so we always try to see if at least we can push them or make at least some people see them.
Yeah, man.
And then somebody interested in what them see, you know, them can say, you know, so you have talent, you could send them a link, you know, and something can go on.
And this and that the fraction of it are just a small scratch. That's a small scratch in terms of when you not even see it.
Yeah.
You understand me? You go hard.
Yeah.
From just half of one block.
Yeah.
You get me? So just imagine.
True.
When the whole thing they can just combine
together,
man. No worries, man.
I only for you stay, man, with the talent, man, you know.
Yeah,
only.
I will need it.
Yeah, man, this is Seaview Abroad Records headquarters, you know. This is where they use them come, you know, and the talent being heard, record and push out there. You see me? And iView is one of the foundation artists them pan the Abroad Records same way. You know, when you say Abroad Record, you have various artists who come here and record as well. You have Virgin, you have Chronic Law. You know, there's so much big names that come here and record, right, iView?
Yeah, never sang with Chronic Law, right?
And yeah, I never sang with Chronic Law.
Yeah, Virgin to do a collab as well, me and Shockstar was sang.
Yeah. And a
couple collabs as well where ready for job, just time. God and time.
So you see, as I say, years, how much years now you have with the music?
Years well, about some 14 years now. 14 years. Still have the son come do it.
Yeah.
People, I teach people now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You know?
It's no giving up, never giving, you see me, never give up. So you see them still try same way, no matter what. Music is the way, you know, because I went born with naturally. I hit him know.
Right now people just come to me sometimes just to just help them to write music and just give me an energy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So if you hold this. So I life, I know I'm a mechanic, I'm a plumber.
Of course.
You know what I mean?
If you're a teacher, you teach, right?
Yeah.
In a class, you teach. So music is the same thing. If you use them want to learn it,
I
no?
say that in a key, you know. Sometimes the engineer them just call me just to be around them. I see big producers who not for call my name, mix song, call me, hi, if you heard this sound.
Yeah.
And remember, this is man where how much number one songs on their belt.
But you
know, I have a ears feed, it's just that me not out there yet. You know what I mean? But God and time, as you say.
Yeah. I'm hope the more interview you go up on and the more exposure you can get, because the world is big, you know.
Yeah, man.
Almost 8 billion people are reach 8 billion by now. You know, that's a lot. So there's a whole lot more it need to reach to.
Yeah, man.
You know, so the work it never stop, it always continue same way. You know, I'm like the passion same way you have. You never make nothing else fade away from what you're doing. You see me?
I'm knowing every year some stuff now is like you see where I go on, you know what I mean? We never give up, man. Always writing same way. You have a song like that with him, Family Time, bad song.
Family Time.
Ireland Records, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so mix it and stuff right now. Blink me the other day say me the files and so that means you can see the song actually hit you.
Yeah. So you continue working with other producers them same way where you can get it out.
Producers same way. You know what I mean?
What one of the biggest show you ever work on?
What if I show you? Nobody can never say the biggest, but when I get the car, when I work on some face, when I work on none of them big show there. But we work on only for show man where what if people there, you know what I mean? You know, we're not shy, I'm not shy, you know.
So that's the main thing now for try to reach man a Sunfest or a Sting.
Yeah, or a Sting.
You know, and then let's get the music out there.
Yeah, out there. You know, I love to go up on stage, I mean, I love to go up on ER as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But when I want to pay feet, either want do it
naturally by hearing the music, talent, and them call it and say, yo, I view.
Yeah, you get me a come from
this is where me again on stage, where me again Wilford call and say, yo, I view, this is Wilford, you know. Seeing the music.
See, like you just find me naturally.
Yeah.
You understand?
See me.
Yeah, these are the things that are.
Once you continue see me, you know, it will happen, you know. Because sometimes, you know, the road is not how you always see it. Sometimes you have to jump the obstacles them, you see me and say.
The earth them there. You have to have something to talk about.
You have to.
You know what I mean?
And hearing your voice, I always say, yo, hearing Ivy, you don't need a mic.
No.
You see me, I say, if you put him in front of 20,000 people, he don't need a mic.
No.
You know, and
people call me for I'll do a wedding for them, you know. Like, be the spokesman for the wedding, you know. I mean, I say, I don't know nothing about this stuff, but just my voice.
Yeah.
The same thing as what you say, you know.
Yeah.
Give them family time.
Alright.
Say, Puff, just wait so me know, say me did a sleep. I riches and wealth for the family. Take the kids to the beach, make them see the sea. I saw me see my father do it. My son love festival, but I swim around me a bit. Me and my whole family day in the street. I got a lead. Foundation of the set cause me gal breed. Me just I spend some quality time. I spend some quality time. Me take a break but the youth and I give up no time. Me just I spend some family. Me just I spend some
family time.
Alright, you know.
Big artist as you.
Song them ever have meaning, man, you know.
Yes. Yeah, man. See the Aki tree here, but you know, the Aki on it right now. Cause Aki can't stay along on these trees, you know. Yeah, but they're not ready. As it open, someone come and pick it. One thing in the inner city, yeah, Aki does stay along on trees because some people can't afford to buy food.
But the
trees are here. So whenever you see a 3, 4, 5 Aki, yeah man, in the inner city, people them come and pick it.
Pick it and then see
get some rice and we call it.
Some flash out.
Caesar rice.
Caesar rice.
Yeah. Caesar rice, man. So Aki is one of the quickest things to cook a meal in Jamaica. Yeah. Even that Aki, you know, so the quickest meal at right now in Jamaica, if you're there and you don't have that much money, you can help yourself with.
I can't forget this story. Was it here? Yes.
Aki and Red Rain.
I go try that, let me always hear about that. Aki and Red Rain.
Yeah, you never tried that yet? But try it already, it's bad. Aki and Red Rain.
And saltfish.
And they like it with saltfish.
Every time. Bless up and Cool King. And Queens and family. Every time,
you know. You also on the program as well to come and we'll give him some food and whatever we can give, you know. And great man himself. They're good though. So you might be the right here, so if any people want to come up here, then just direct them and give them a contribution. Give you a contribution, yeah? Alright. This is the school I used to go. It did Trench Town Comprehensive, but name change with name now?
Yeah.
Polytechnic, Trench Town Polytech.
Polytech?
Yes.
Yes, I changed to Trench Town Polytech. No. I don't know why them change it. Why them change it?
No, it's now like a college.
It's a college now?
Yeah, not the high school. It's now teaching the children them skill.
Oh, so it's more a trade?
Yeah.
Like a learning center. So yeah, so it's more like a learning center. So this is the school I used to. You want to come and say I think. This is the school I used to go. It used to name Trenchtown Comprehensive High School. Now it's called Trenchtown
Polytechnique.
College. You know, Polytechnique. So we here rolling through. You know, you probably always see him face on the program same here. So I'm here around with D. You know, showing around. You know, so we stop off by, you know, you see his face already on the program. You know, and I'm always outside the gate, because this is the school I used to go to, Trenchtown Polytechnique. It changed now, because in my time it was Trenchtown Comprehensive. So this is it. They used to call it Trenchtown Comprehensive, but now it's Trenchtown Polytechnique. So it's closed. Right now it's closed because, you know, it's holiday now in Jamaica. It's holiday now. And this is a good friend of mine from Kenya. Her name is D.
How you doing? Let me buy you some water.
Okay. So this is D from Kenya, you know, and we're our first time in Jamaica.
I know you're going to enjoy it. And you're in the right company. So wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
So when you used to come to school?
He was working over there while you were.
You remember me though? Remember me? Yeah.
Daddy. Was he stubborn?
Yeah?
Was he a stubborn one? Was he a stubborn
She
one?
asked if I was a rude one.
Oh no, man.
Okay. You see, I wasn't a rude guy. Tell them I'm a good one. You know, always I was a student counselor as well.
I just live in June Garden.
Oh?
I just leave June Garden.
Oh, you just leave June. So I was a good guy in school, D. So very good guy in school, very behaved, you know, well mannered, always dress appropriate. You know, good footballer and everything. So
brought up.
Exactly. So I was a student counselor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was a student counselor also. So stay there. So a long time I'm in the good book, never in the bad book. So come meet when.
Yes.
One day in December 1970, during a.
This is from a car accident. I'm saying about car accident. Explain to her what did happen.
We were traveling along the country road and the driver swing from a pothole and that's it.
Oh, so the driver saw the pothole. But did that driver as well in the next vehicle? Either one?
No, I was in that vehicle.
Oh, he was in the vehicle and then swing out of the pothole?
Yes, end up in the post.
Okay, so you like see the pothole there, so you like him swing from it and run right in one of those posts. So I guess it was on your side, right?
Right.
So that's how you lose your foot?
Yeah.
And this one is broken as well?
And this one, it caused this one now to bend in the ankle.
Oh. And you amputate that one there as well too. I know one time I showed them on the program. We met a long time school friend as well too. Forgot her name. What's her name again? Paige. You know, she's also got my name as well too. Paige. Are we related? Because I'm Paige too, you know. You know, so she said, oh, that's my friend from school days, you know, and she haven't seen him for years. So, but this way I'm always is, you know, here, try to make ends meet, you know, I'm always over the school whenever anything going on, you know, I'm always play a part to help out to make ends meet. Because as you can see, situation, right, nothing ain't really happening for him, you know, so we did try to get him any form of support we could get, like if anybody want to donate anything to him, you know, help out financially, you know, they can help out, you know, so that was part of my mission to try to get him some support, because as you can see, he cannot do much for himself more than just here I go and enjoy life where him have left. So if I can help more financially, that would be great, you know. I would thank you so much, Lee, for contributing to him, you know. You're such a kind heart, you know. I really thank you so much for that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Shabba soft spot, you know, I really like that. Very good heart, you know. D Mongo. Jamaica.
Yeah, represented. I'm the only one loyal to Jamaica. You see, Jamaicans don't even put on Jamaican t-shirts.
I got mine underneath.
Where shorts?
I don't. You have to show them. But listen, I got my Jamaica in my heart. She's wearing hers on her t-shirt. So imagine that.
Too. Like what you see is what is in the heart.
But it's in your heart. It needs to be not only on the shirt, but in my heart. Me always wear it. That's why you see me there here. She loves Jamaica. That's why she's here still. So good. Yeah. So you know today, you know, show the other side of the world, which the show.
Yes.
Talk the truth. You like them side, right?
I do what?
You like those type of places, right?
Yes. That's where you meet like real nice people who wanna talk to you.
Even here, this place as well too. like proper ghetto, like
proper
danger.
ghetto,
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Then let's go this way, then I come this way.
One day we can get somebody can show around. Right, we have somebody who can show around, you know, because it's very aggressive here. Yes, so we have
Very
somebody.
aggressive.
So we have somebody who can show around. Blessed, good thing, good thing. Yes, I. Yeah, man, cause she's from Kenya, so she'd love if we can get some input in the place where I go on, you know. But you know it goes already. Good for your guidance.
Yes, it's up and down, but it's kind of on a level scale, I know, yeah? I work on it on a level scale, I know.
Right, I know.
Yeah, up
They
and
tell
down.
me it's already aggressive, like too aggressive. Do you live here?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you can show me around because it's like it's
No, I live in this scheme, you know, I live over that scheme. So you have Angola over that side, see?
Yeah.
You have Mexico.
Yeah.
You have Maxi, Sunrise Street over the side.
Which is the most aggressive part here?
Aggressive? Can't say no everywhere. Everywhere bad.
Everywhere is bad.
Everywhere is bad.
Yeah.
Everywhere is bad.
So this side, him say he's not from this side, but he's from the other side over there. You know, yeah. Pegasus over there, Angola and everything. So you know Broadman them are the right of Pegasus, right? Yeah.
Redman.
Redman them. Cause even them we can go check as well to Redman, you know, them can show on the other side. Same way. Cause we have a link over there we can check them and then we can show it on the other side of Arnett Garden, you know. Can walk around, probably go around to George Frank side.
I don't like the idea that you make your own country aggressive. It's crazy. You know, in my country, there's nowhere that is aggressive. You go anywhere alone. You don't need anybody. You don't need any person to show you. Like, it's crazy. Why make your own country to be aggressive?
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.